You know, over the next couple of weeks, the likelihood of having some unexpected visitors drop by is pretty good. Wouldn't it be nice if you had something that you could throw together in no time that looks like something that you've been fussing on all afternoon? For those of you who have an air fryer, this is the time to bring it out. If you don't, no worries, you can make this in your oven or toaster oven too. First, we sprinkle some brown sugar on top of our brie and air fry it. While it's heating, we'll melt butter in a skillet along with some chopped pecans. After these are toasted a bit, we add some maple syrup, orange zest, cinnamon, and a handful of dried cherries. Thanks to our air fryer, the topping and outside of this is cooked perfectly, while the inside is a melty delight. Now we top it with our ooey gooey maple sauce that's studded with all sorts of goodness. Does this look like something that was whipped up in less than 10 minutes? I don't think so. To get the recipe for our show-stopping Cherry-Pecan Brie, which is from our new air fryer cookbook, simply visit our website. I'm Howard with Kelly in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a fabulous last-minute way for you to say, ooh, it's so good. Good?